Good day, everyone. We represent the public speaker, and the public speaker that we choose is Normi Suarez. So, Normi Suarez was born on March 3, 1939, in Tapon, Sulu, Philippines. In his higher education, Ms. Suarez completed his higher education at the University of the Philippines, where he earned a degree in political science. Public speaking, norms were known for compelling and persuasive public speaking abilities. As a leader of the Moro National Liberation Front, or NNLF, he has delivered numerous speeches advocating for the right and self-determination of the Moro people. His speeches often emphasized the historical injustice faced by the Moro community and called for peace and autonomy in the Mindanao.
So this is the achievement of Normi Suarez. Number one, founder of the Moro National Liberation Front, or MNLF. In 1972, Ms. Suarez established the MNLF, which became a significant political and military organization fighting for the autonomy of the Moro people in Mindanao. Number two, peace negotiator. He played a crucial role in the peace negotiation between the MNLF and the Philippines government, leading to the signing of the Tripoli Agreement in 1976 and the final peace agreement in 1996. These agreements were pivotal in creating the autonomous region in Muslim Mindanao, or ARMN. Number three, governor of ARMN. After the 1996 peace agreement, Ms. Suarez was elected as the first governor of the ARMN, serving from 1996 to 2001. His tenure was marked by efforts to implement the peace agreement and promote development in the region.
Number four, international recognition. Ms. Suarez has received international recognition for his efforts in advocating for the rights and autonomy of the Moro people. His work has drawn in global attention and support for the Moro cause. Number five, honorary doctorates. He has been awarded several honorary doctorates from his various institutions in recognition of his leadership and contributions to peace and development in the Philippines. Number six, nominated for the Nobel Peace Prize. Ms. Suarez was nominated for the Nobel Peace Prize for his work in promoting peace and the rights of the Moro people. This nomination underscores the global significance of his contributions to peace and conflict resolution. The end. Sukran. Yun lang.